Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're showing you things that we've completed. So this is a piece that was completely in the wrong color, really faded, and you'll see the before photos, and now it has come to its fullness. It's a mid-century walnut veneer piece, beautiful fold down. It even has some formica in here from the 60s, and it's been completely restored, and now you can see the vibrance of the wood on the outside panels were really book matched. So you can take a look at the veneer there and how all of the woods now give it some dimension, because it was all looking so faded and dilapidated that now the wood is very vibrant. Thanks for watching.